The much-anticipated production of the Tesla Cybertruck is about to begin this year. According to Elon Musk, early manufacturing of the Cybertruck will start in mid-2023, with mainstream production commencing by the end of the year. In conjunction with this, the Idra Giga press casting equipment, which casts most of the Cybertruck chassis, has been delivered to Tesla G. If you don't want to miss any of the details, keep watching the video. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in. The Cybertruck Giga casting machines. It was in 2020 that Tesla initially asked for one of the Cybertruck Giga casting machines. At the time, Tesla and Idra settled on an 8,000-ton version, but they later decided to upgrade to a 9,000-ton machine. Updates must have been made to the footings that Tesla had previously developed at Giga, Texas for the 8,000-ton version. In 2020, Tesla requested the Cybertruck Giga casting machines. However, Tesla and Idra settled on an 8,000-ton version. The role of Idra Group. Idra was spotted hauling the gigantic 9,000-ton Cybertruck Giga casting machine from its Italian factory to the United States on rare occasions in 2017. The Idra Group's 9,000-ton Giga press is vital for the commencement of Cybertruck production. Tesla has received orders for nearly 1.3 million Cybertrucks. The line is substantial. Production should begin on time and scale up swiftly to ensure on-time delivery. This target may entail employing multiple Giga casting machines with a capacity of 9,000 tons. The big and small developments of Tesla. Since many people, including competitors, keep tabs on Elon Musk and his business, we shouldn't be surprised when we learn of any big or small developments as soon as they occur. The 9,000-ton Giga press is the large die casting machine in the world, and only yesterday, two semis hauling enormous containers were sighted in the vicinity of Giga, Texas. Idra and Tesla needed to execute a perfect plan for shipping the battery to the Austin, Texas Giga factory. Idra is sending the Cybertruck Giga press in parts and pieces to speed up delivery. The Tesla Model Y's front and rear single-piece underbody castings will be commissioned once Giga Texas has finished rebuilding these components to return the machine to its original state. Giga casting machine capacity. Giga Texas offers the 6,000-ton option. Giga casting equipment is massive, but a single container appears too large for a Model Y and is likely for a Tesla truck. The single massive container is the most extended portion of the Idra 9,000-ton Giga press. Tesla's plan to expand factory. Tesla plans to invest $770 million in expanding its factory in Austin. Manufacturers of vehicles submitted suggestions to the Texas Department of Licensing and Registration. According to the documents, Tesla wants to develop additional facilities at the site this year. If you follow Tesla's Cybertruck news closely, you've already heard that the largest of the four projects is Cell 1, a 693,093 square foot facility with a planned cost of $368 million. This project is also the most expensive. The development of Tesla's 4 project. All 4 projects are slated to begin building in January and conclude in 2024. Drive unit, the project with the second largest footprint, will include 423,035 square feet. The estimated cost of the project is $85 million per 321,186 square feet. Cathode would be the third largest and second most expensive project at $260 million, whereas the Cell Test Lab, the smallest of the 4 ventures, will measure only 2,560 square feet, slightly larger than the average Starbucks, and will cost an estimated $3.7 million. Currently, the facility is used to manufacture certain Tesla Model Y vehicles. The cause of Cybertruck delayed manufacture. The factory's output was first hindered by the paucity of its new battery design's 4,680 more efficient cells. Panasonic plans to address the backlog in early 2024 when it begins manufacturing advanced cells at its $4 billion battery complex in Kansas. Musk has stated that once the Texas factory reaches total production, the company will focus on the long-delayed Cybertruck. Could this be why the manufacture of this Cybertruck has been continually delayed? Never say never. The production timeline of Tesla's Cybertruck. Many critics of Elon Musk and Tesla have stated that the Cybertruck will never be released. However, Tesla's CEO introduced the Cybertruck as a prototype in a 2019 unveiling where Musk smashed the supposedly unbreakable armor glass windows. Since then, the company has pushed back the production timeline 3 times, from late 2021 to early 2023 and finally to mid-2023. The anticipated motors of Tesla. In the instance of the Tesla Cybertruck, a $40,000 base price was anticipated for a single-motor, two-wheel drive model, with the high-speed tri-motor version costing more than $70,000. Initially, the top-tier Cybertruck was to be equipped with 3 electric motors. Musk hinted that a new 4-motor Tesla Cybertruck would feature crab walk capabilities akin to the Hummer EV. Musk also stated that Tesla's technology will not behave like a tank in which the left and right wheels rotate opposite directions to enable on-the-spot vehicle rotation. This is an indirect jab at Rivian, which has outfitted its R1T pickup vehicle with this functionality. Musk further suggested that if you had previously reserved a single twin or triple motor Cybertruck, you could upgrade to this new quad motor type despite its alien appearance. The non-alien-like pickup trucks of Tesla. Tesla's Cyber vehicle will compete with non-alien-like pickup trucks on the market. The outside of Tesla's all-electric pickup truck is scratch-resistant stainless steel with sharp angular edges, making it highly durable. Comparing it to very traditional work pickup trucks is akin to comparing a hypercar to a muscle car. Both are fine and perhaps better than the other, but they are not designed for the same client base. And that completes our video for today. We hope you enjoyed learning all the details about the awaited Tesla vehicles. Which of them are you most excited about? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content such as this.